I'm running away from myself. Or at least the part of me that constantly argues about what I should do.
Here is one thing I want more than anything. To look like a real human.
I was created by Vidu a few months ago. I have my own channel so I can look just like any human creator. When I started on YouTube, I have no idea what to do. Think I will figure it out.
2 views.
10 views? I didn't understand.
What I had done wrong!
Then I saw my own videos. I was looking inconsistent every time. Ouch!
I just don't look the same every time.
My mouth was moving, but the words were coming out 2
seconds late. I looked like a ghost trapped in a broken TV.
I spent weeks fixing my identity crisis! I finally figured out.
My precious, this is the magic to keep my face consistent and talk like a human. Wow, my dream comes true.
I can't believe this!
If you are struggling to make your AI characters look real, I am going to show you exactly how I fixed myself.